Hello, Paul here for WhisperKool Wine Cellar Cooling Units. In this video, we're going back to basics to talk about the features and benefits of WhisperKool's entry-level cooling system, the SC Series. As always, WhisperKool recommends that you consult a wine cellar professional for specific advice on the best practices in wine cellaring. The SC Series is made up of 5 cooling units that cool from 1450 to 4250 BTUs per hour. The SC is WhisperKool's most economical cooling unit, so it's great for cellar enthusiasts who are on a budget but who want to experience WhisperKool performance and have access to our great customer service. The SC has a solid, durable housing design and a beautiful black textured finish that resists fingerprints, rust, nicks, and scratches. It also offers the convenience of supplying power to either side of the unit. This simple feature alleviates the inconvenience that sometimes occurs during cellar construction when position of the power source is overlooked. Select the location for your power cord, set the location switch, and you're ready to go. The SC is a self-contained cooling unit. This means that the evaporator and the condenser are located together in this one unit, and that has some advantages. You don't need a licensed HVAC technician to install it for you. You may be able to install the unit yourself, or an experienced handyman can help you install the unit. The SC mounts through the wall of your wine cellar using a single-piece mounting bracket. It's designed to mount between the existing wall studs, blowing cold air into the cellar side and exhausting the heat that is absorbed from the cellar on the exhaust side. The SC has what we call a 30-degree temperature differential. So to cool your wine cellar to 55 degrees, the area it is exhausting to should not exceed 85 degrees. Because the outside temperature in many areas exceeds 85 degrees for extended periods of time during the year, the SC is recommended for interior wall installations. All cooling units generate some noise and exhaust heat. Because you'll be installing the SC through an interior wall, you want to make sure that the rear of the unit faces an area where fan noise and exhaust heat are acceptable. A utility room or other non-living area is usually best. If your cellar is located in a position in the home where you simply cannot have exhaust heat or fan noise in any of the adjacent areas, we recommend that you install a split system or a ducted system. Dynamic airflow improves air circulation in order to maintain a consistent temperature throughout the cellar. The fan systems have been mounted at a 45-degree angle, allowing air to flow up and around the cellar. This design is even more effective on the condenser side, where the fans keep the hot air from settling around the unit, which would compromise its ability to cool. For temperature control, the SC uses a bottle probe to measure the temperature of the wine, not the temperature of the air in the cellar. It measures the liquid temperature of the wine so that the unit only operates when necessary to keep temperature and humidity at the optimum levels while extending the life of the cooling unit. The advanced control system offers state-of-the-art operation for monitoring the cooling system. The unit comes with audible and visual alarms and a host of other programs to select from. Like all WhisperKool wine cellar cooling units, the SC Series are assembled and tested in the USA at our Stockton, California manufacturing facility. And most importantly, the SC Series comes with WhisperKool's best warranty, a full 5 years on the compressor, and a 2-year warranty on the rest of the unit. Well, thanks for joining me to learn about the features and benefits of the SC system. We've talked about the solid, durable housing, the dynamic airflow that allows your cellar to be cooled efficiently, and the bottle probe that helps the SC system cool your cellar precisely. If you have any questions about which SC model is right for you, go online to whisperkool.com and check out the Cellar Wizard. Just answer a few questions about the size and temperature of both your storage environment and your exhaust environment, and the Cellar Wizard will recommend the right size cooling unit. And please watch our other instructional videos on wine cellar cooling. See you next time.